So my name is Kitrina Miller. I'm the student body president. Student Government Association is here for you. We have not only the cabinet members, but we also have our senators who you can reach out to anytime. And then the student advocate is also a great resource for you too. There's 3 overarching goals being student services, student fees, and rebranding SGA. So the student services really is just trying to possibly get a student support services building on campus. Student fees, just making that more known to the student body and fixing little processes for that, and then just rebranding, just pushing out knowledge about SGA. You know, I have my own personal goals to help the student body here at WSU throughout the year, but also the senators are actually out there talking with students every single day, and so really just making sure I'm providing the support for them and my cabinet members, just trying to meet the needs and wants of students every day.